Hey guys, Joe here with SEAFLO, and we're just going to quickly go over our hatches. Nothing too much to say here. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but we make a bunch of different sizes of plastic injection molded hatches in rectangular and also in circular form. Uh, we have hatches that range in rectangular sizes from 10 by 14, 14 by 14, 24 by 18, 24 by 24, and a couple more. They're not all shown here today, but we have about 7 different rectangular sizes. And then we have 3 different circular sizes, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. As you can see, they all come in both black and white, what makes ours a little nicer than the competition is you can really feel how robust the plastic is. You can't bend it. It's not flimsy. These are UV resistant, so they won't corrode and get weaker over time. The other benefit is that we actually have an O-ring that basically goes around it that really seals the hatch cover to the base so that it prevents any water leakage. A lot of the other manufacturers of hatches don't have this, so this is just an extra benefit to what we have. You can see here there's just a right around, it's black, but it's a seal. So it'll help seal the hatch and make it watertight and waterproof. These are used, if you're looking to drill a hole into your boat and you need to have access to like a battery switch or a pump or anything like that, but you don't want a hole sticking out, so you throw one of these on there. These are found at SEAFLOdirect.com. There'll be a coupon code at the end of the video. Please be sure to use it. It'll be 10% off. If you have any questions, feel free to visit that site. Thanks, guys.